Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video. Today we will be looking at how can we take screenshot very easily, just like a pro, in two different manners. First of all, for the first method, to take the screenshot of whole the screen, which will include the desktop, the any other window open like this, my computer screen, the keyboard and anything else. Just look for this button on your keyboard, the print screen button. Now the screenshot has been captured by clicking this button on your keyboard. Go to your paint. Simply press Ctrl plus V, the paste function. Screenshot has been pasted. Click on Save As. Select your destination to save the file, your image type of which you want to save the file, and save. And that's it. You can see screenshot has been taken and saved, which include all the screens at once. Now, the second method. If you just want to capture one window from whole the screen, like you do not want to capture the desktop and any other thing from whole the desktop, just this my computer screen, then mark this screen as active by clicking somewhere on the screen, and you may press Ctrl plus Alt. By holding these two at the same time, click print screen. Now the screenshot of this only my computer screen has been captured, and we will check it here. Ctrl plus V. Look, you can see that only the screenshot of this my computer screen which was active has been pasted here, but not of the desktop. So in the same manner, you can also save this again, and here you go. You can see this is with only print screen and this is with Control Alt and print screen. So these were two methods by using which you can take screenshots very easily. Thank you. Just subscribe, like and share my videos.